Hello, everyone, and welcome to UltraTech Product Training. Today, we're talking about the Ultra Spill pallets. There's a number of different Ultra Spill pallets that we offer. Today, we're talking about the very first two spill pallets that we came out with. The yellow one on the right-hand side is the original, the very first spill pallets, and so original that they didn't have a model name associated with them. They were just known as the Ultra Spill pallets. Sometimes in-house and in this session, I'm going to refer to them as the standard spill pallets. And then the black one pictured on the left-hand side is the economy model. The Ultra Spill Pallet P4, or the standard model, is rated at 6,000 pounds weight capacity, and the 4-drum economy model is rated at 3,000 pounds. You'll notice that we have UDL next to those weight capacity. That stands for uniformly distributed load. You need to make sure that any weights on these spill pallets are uniformly distributed, or they may not meet those published capacities. They are 100% polyethylene construction. I will touch on that in the next slide. And they are able to be moved with a forklift or a pallet jack from all four sides. The 2-drum versions, the standard model is rated at 3,000 pounds. The economy model is rated at 1,200 pounds. Again, those are uniformly distributed loads. And they are 100% polyethylene construction. We use polyethylene for our rotationally molded products for a number of different reasons. But some of the main ones are, one, that they will not rust or corrode. And two, they have excellent chemical resistance. With the 2-drum models, they are also able to be moved with a forklift or a pallet jack, but it is just two-way entry for those. As far as containment capacity goes, all of the spill pallets have 66 gallons of containment. So the 4 drums, both the standard and economy, have 66 gallons, and the 2 drums also have 66 gallons of containment. You can see from this picture that the 2-drum spill pallets are considerably taller than the 4 drums. The 4-drum pallet is around 12 inches tall, just under 12 inches, and the 2 drums are around 17 inches tall. So they're significantly taller, but that's what we needed to do in order to get that containment capacity. At 66 gallons, all 4 of these drums meet the EPA regulations. They actually exceed the regulations for 55-gallon drums, and they also meet SPC regulations and requirements. I will put a link down below in the description to a video that explains those regulations in much more detail. All of the spill pallets have a removable grating that makes it easier for cleanup and inspection. You can see from the right-hand picture, the 4-drum model has 2 pieces of grating, and the 2-drum model on the left-hand side has a single piece of that same grating. The cross of life is a safety feature that we have on all of these spill pallets. I will put a link down below in the description for a video that helps to explain the cross of life in more detail. But essentially, it's a safety feature that prevents the sidewalls from being pushed out too far. Options for all these spill pallets: we have a pullover cover. This can be used either for storing drums outdoors, or if it's a dirty or dusty environment indoors, it can help to keep the drums and the spill pallet clean. There is also a drain available. It's a 3/4 inch drain plug that's installed at the factory. This can be helpful to remove any spilled contents that are collected inside of that containment sump. We also have a ramp available. Keep in mind that this ramp works only with the 4-drum models, either the standard or the economy, but will not work with the 2-drum spill pallets. As I mentioned earlier, those are very tall spill pallets, and a ramp is just not practical with that kind of height. As far as applications where you might use these spill pallets, typically they are going to be indoor applications. That can be manufacturing, warehousing, chemical processing, property management, auto service. That's just a few of the applications where these could be used. Really, any place where there's a 55-gallon drum is a potential application for these spill pallets. What else do you need to know? As far as the economy models go, they are made with the same exact mold as the standard spill pallets. So the dimensions are exactly the same: length, width, height. All the little nooks and crannies in that mold will be the same from the standard spill pallet to the economy model. What's different is that we use a recycled or regrind resin for the economy model versus a virgin resin with the standard spill pallets. That means the economy model is less expensive. It also means with that recycled resin or the regrind resin that it has a lower weight capacity. It's not as strong as the virgin material. So as I mentioned, we were talking about weight capacity. The 4-drum, for example, is the standard model is rated at 6,000 pounds. The economy model is rated at 3,000 pounds, so half of the weight. Just keep that in mind when you're comparing pallets. Other products to consider. We have a number of different drum spill pallets available. We've got something that's even lower profile. We have, if that's still too high, we have spill decks, which are under 6 inches tall. We have nestable spill pallets if shipping or storage is a concern. We have outdoor versions of these spill pallets for storing drums outside in the elements. And if plastic's not what you're looking for, you want something that's steel, we have those as well. I'll put links down below for all of these products. So if you want to investigate your options further, just click on those links and check those products out. Thank you for your time. Look for more product training videos on our YouTube channel.